Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginners. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through mkdir command, right? Mkdir, some people will call this a mkdir, which is what make directory or create directory, right? We basically use this command in Linux to create a directory, which is also known as a folder in a window, right? What is the proper syntax? The proper syntax here is just mkdir, and you go ahead and punch the directory name that you want to create. And the mkdir basically use a useful option that we call option P, right? When you say mkdir, and let's say the parent, you have a parent directory already, and you want to create a subdirectory within the parent directory, you need to use -p to tell Linux that the parent directory does not exist, and you want to create a parent directory and also create a subdirectory, right? What does that mean? Let me go ahead here and jump into one of our Linux server here. Let me exit, and I'm going to connect, and it's going to connect into one of our server that we use at DevOps Easy Learning, and we'll go ahead and kind of trying to see what I mean here. Let me tab ls here. We have a couple of stuff. I will go ahead and just say mkdir, and I'm going to create a directory. Let us create that directory called testdir, test_dir, and I'll hit enter. If we tab ls-l, long list, we're going to see here that we have this D in front of that, mean it is a directory. Very simple. On Windows, you just right click and you create, you just go to more and you go to directory and you put testdir. Now, let me now cd into testdir, testdir. Let's say I want to create another directory here again. I can say mkdir, and let's say I want to call this one with my name here. It's here, and ls, we have a directory called here. We can type ls-l to see this in long listing. Now, let's see. I want to create another directory, mkdir, and I want to create a directory called Paul. And in Paul, I want to create another directory called Peter, and maybe in Peter, I want to create another one called Tom. As you guys can see, the Paul directory does not exist. If you hit enter here, Linux is going to complain. Why? Because the parent directory, which is Paul, does not exist. How are you going to tell Linux that the parent directory does not exist? But please go ahead and create the parent directory if it does not exist, and create subdirectories. That is where the -p is really handy. And I basically plug -p in there, and I can go ahead and fire this up. As you can see here, if you tab ls, we have this, and if you kind of check this with the tree command, you guys will see that it basically create a parent directory, which is Paul, and within Paul, it create another one called Peter, and within Peter, it create another one called Tom, right? And that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that when we publish the new video, you will be notified. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.